These are frozen tilapia fillets. And I got about 6 of them. What I'm gonna do right now is just put them in a little brine for about a half an hour. Let them thaw out in that brine. And then we're gonna put them on the grill and put some smoke on them. I got some cherry wood I'm dying to try. So let's get into it. This is about 6 or 7 cups of room temperature water. And to that, I'm gonna add a half a cup of kosher salt. Stir that in there until it dissolves. So this is a setup that I haven't used since I started this channel. This is called the snake method. What we have here is 2 rows of charcoals basically lying against each other. And then we have another 2 rows up here. This is called a 2x2 snake because we have 2 rows on the bottom, 2 rows on the top. You notice that these start a little far back instead of starting right here. I left that there because I'm going to start this snake with 4 briquettes, which I'm going to light right now. Put that one over there. I'm just going to put, I'm actually going to put only going to put 1 chunk right here because this is a big one. Once these 4 ash over, I'm just going to pour them right here, and it's going to gradually smolder around. Yeah, that's a very small snake, but it's going to be more than enough for an hour cook, which is about what I expect these to take, no more than about an hour. I'm going to close down all my vents down here. I'm going to put this over to a quarter. These babies should take about an hour or so, give or take. My temperature is running good. My smoke is running so clean and so even. Even. I'm gonna come out here in about 30 minutes and just see what they look like because it's my first time doing them. But I think I got my grill set up just right. It's starting to change. But we have a ways to go. Look at my snake. Look how little has burned. You know, that's what I love about it, man. It's very steady and very easy to control as far as temperature fluctuations. Let's see what we got here. Check some temps. We want to pull these at about 140. The internal temperature should be at least 145. So I'm gonna let these go a little longer. Keep rolling. Yep. It's time to pull these guys. All right, let's get them off. Very nice, very nice. I used cherry wood on that and the flavor is very, very mild, very understated. Shout out to Shore Smoke Seasonings, very good. My first time trying it on some fish, but I knew it would be good, and it is. All right, see you next time. These are frozen tilapia fillets. Did I just say fillets? These are frozen tilapia. These are frozen tilapia fillets. These are frozen tilapia. Oh my God.